Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. Today, let us talk about the importance of a smiling face. You are knowing, when you look at somebody else, when that person gives a sweet smile, how you feel? You feel nice, confident. You reciprocate it with the same. On the contrary, if you look at someone, he looking at you, he grins, he makes an angry face, what you will feel? That is why we should have a good smiling face, because it spreads good light, love, happiness, everything. So when we get up in the morning, we should wash our face, and we should think that it is something unique, it is something precious. Then blot it dry and give yourself a big smile in the mirror. Remember, the most important thing you will be wearing during the day will be a smile. A smile is more attractive than your beautiful, costly dress or anything. Harvard professor Daniel Gilbert, who wrote Stumbling on Happiness, mentions the following things about the science behind a smile. He tells, healthy people are usually happier. See, who is happier? Healthy people are usually happier. People who participate in religious organization are happier. It is his view. People who feel financially comfortable are happier. Means if we are comfortable, our finance is okay, we are happy with that, we are comfortable, then we are happier. People in good romantic relationship are happier than those who aren't. That is what he tells. That is why how we should be with our people. Let it be our spouse, our parents, children, whoever it is. We should be in good relation with them. We should always have a sweet smile on our face. Then, how we can have a smile on our face? Let me tell you some action plans. First of all, avoid all the conflicts, avoid all your fights. Because when you fight with someone, when you are having some conflict with someone, whether you will smile? Never. So avoid all your conflicts. Do not expect too much from others. Don't expect, no. Next is, do random acts of kindness. If you feel like okay helping anyone, help it. But don't have any expectation. Be happy about the simplest and smallest thing. Even simplest and smallest thing, be happy for that. Do favors for people. Doing people favors, no matter how small they are, they can bring a lot of happiness. We know that because it brings a lot of happiness with us. So whether it costs anything, now tell me, even to smile at someone, your friend or your spouse or anyone, whether it costs anything, no, it doesn't cost anything. Even then, People don't do that. When there is no need to spend. On the contrary, if you are having a good relationship with others, have a smile. Relationship means I don't tell you anything else. Only when you meet someone, tell hello, hi, how are you? Okay. If we develop these things, there will be good harmonious relationships with us. And you are knowing, when we smile at others, good hormones are created within our body. Don't be under the impression if you are happy with somebody else means he will gain something. No, he will be happy, doesn't matter. But on the contrary, you will gain a lot. That is why nowadays people are having laughter clubs. People go there and laugh. Why it is? Because if you are happy, because when you will smile, naturally when you are happy, then you won't get any diseases. Even doctors tell that disease comes to the brain first, mind I mean, and then it spreads to the body. So what we should learn is, we should learn to be happy. At least my motto in life is to be happy and to make others also happy. That is my mission, nothing else. Because money and all I am having enough. I don't expect anything from anyone. But my motto in life is, my aim in life is now to be happy and to make others happy. Now you will tell me, ma'am, I am happy with others, but they are not behaving in the same way. Leave it off, no? Don't look at them. You look at the people, those who are happy with you. If they don't like, why you should go and make them unhappy? No, let them be. Leave it off. You look at yourself and look at the people, those who are having love, affection towards you. And this we should teach the children from the beginning. And we should tell them that love, happiness is more important than money or anything else. Even your marks, anything. The other day I was talking to my granddaughter. While talking like this, I told, whatever you want to study, that you can do. We are not forcing you anything. Even if you lose 1 or 2 marks, we are not bothered. Then she is telling, even if I fail, you will love me. I told, whatever it is, I will love you as you are. I am not bothered. It is not that if you get good marks, then only I love you, or if you get less marks, I will hate you. Nothing like that. I love you. Then what you will do? You love me or not, I asked. She told, yes, I love you. That is why I want to study, because if I study well, you all are happy. See, this is the thing, how to treat with the children. There should be security should be created among them. They should feel that, okay, my parents love me. This security should be created in them. Then never your children will go far away from you. They will love you. It is 100% true. And moreover, as I told you, if you are happy, you will be spreading the happiness to others. And at the same time, you will be healthy, mentally, physically, in all the forms. So, a smile, a sweet smile, doesn't cost anything, but it gives us a lot in return from today onwards. That is why we should have good smiling face As soon as we get up, we will decide that, okay, today I am going to pass my day in a nice way. I will be good to all, including myself. Have a nice day.